Hello students, welcome in the next lecture of Public Health Engineering. In previous lecture, we had started the unit number 2 of Public Health Engineering, that is the purification of water. In previous lectures, we had discussed the two methods of or two process of purification of water. In that, the first process is screening. Then there is a two types of screening, that is cold screen or bar screen and fine screen. Then we had discussed the process of aeration and there is a four types of aeration. Then in today's lecture we are going to discuss the third method or third process of purification, that is the sedimentation. The sedimentation is process in which the suspended impurities or the suspended particles are settled down at the bottom of tanks due to the force of gravity and clear water remains at the top. This method or this process is called as a sedimentation. Now see what is a sedimentation. If water contains suspended impurities of large size, it is very economical to remove them by the preliminary sedimentation. That is a when water contains the large amount of suspended impurities or the large size suspended impurities or the particles, it can be very economical to remove them by the preliminary sedimentation process. Sedimentation is a process of reducing turbidity of water by removal of suspended impurities so that the suspended impurities or particles may be settled down at the bottom due to the force of gravity. That is, the definition of sedimentation is the process of reducing turbidity of water. That is, a sedimentation is process in which turbidity of water get reduced by removal of suspended impurities so that the suspended impurities or particles settle down at the bottom due to the force of gravity. Then see this picture. In this picture or in this diagram, we are clear the sedimentation process. That is, in first jar or first tank, the water contain insoluble impurities. The water in the jar have the insoluble impurities. Then after sedimentation process, the insoluble or the impurities or the suspended particles are get settled at the bottom of jar and the clear water is at top of the jar. Then it is the sedimentation process. Hope you all get clear the process of sedimentation. Then the next point is objects of sedimentation. Now see what is the object of sedimentation process. There is a 5 objects of sedimentation process, in which the first is to remove the suspended impurities in larger quantity. That is, the every water or source of water contain the suspended impurities. The objective of sedimentation process is remove that suspended impurities in the larger number of quantity. Then second objective is to lighten the load on subsequent processes. That is, the sedimentation process lighten the load on subsequent processes. That is, the suspended impurities or the dust particles from water are get removed at sedimentation process. Then the load on subsequent processes get lightened. Then to reduce the turbidity of water due to removal of suspended impurities and the dissolved particles, the turbidity of water get reduced in sedimentation process. Then to make sand particles or impurities settle down at the bottom due to force of gravity. The objective of sedimentation is to make sand particles or impurities settle down at the bottom due to force of gravity. Then to give treatment to the water. To give treatment to the water is the objective of or object of sedimentation process. Hope you all get the objects of sedimentation process. Then the next point is methods of sedimentation. There is a two methods of sedimentation. First is a plain sedimentation and second is a sedimentation with coagulation. Now we can discuss these two methods of sedimentation. The first method of sedimentation is plain sedimentation. Now see what is the plain sedimentation. The plain sedimentation is a process of removing suspended matter from water by keeping it in tanks so that suspended matters may settle down at the bottom due to force of gravity. The plain sedimentation is very easy method. In this process or in this plain sedimentation, it is a process. In this process, the suspended matters of water is removed by keeping water in tank and the suspended matter are get settled down at the bottom due to the force of gravity. Then the next point is advantages of plain sedimentation method. Now see the advantages of plain sedimentation process. First is it lighten the load on subsequent processes. The plain sedimentation lighten the load on the next processes. Then the operation of subsequent purification process can be controlled in better way. That is, the operation of the next processes is controlled in better way due to the plain sedimentation. That is, the suspended impurities are removed in plain sedimentation. Then the operation of next processes is get controlled in better way. Then the cost of cleaning chemicals of coagulation basins are reduced. That is, in coagulation basins, when the impurities or the particles get clogged, then it requires the larger number of chemicals to wash coagulation basins. Then in plain sedimentation, these impurities or these particles are removed. Then the cost of cleaning chemicals of coagulation basin are reduced in the plain sedimentation. Then less quantity of chemicals are required for subsequent treatment processes. That is, the less quantity of chemicals are required due to this plain sedimentation on subsequent treatment processes. This is the plain sedimentation tank or the plain sedimentation basin. In this, the water get settled at this tank and the suspended impurities are settled down at the bottom of tank and clear water are retained at the surface of the tank. Then we can discuss the process of plain sedimentation. Now see what is the process of plain sedimentation. The process of plain sedimentation is the plain sedimentation or the in process of plain sedimentation, water is retained in basin so that suspended particles may settle down due to force of gravity. That is, in the process of plain sedimentation, water is retained in the basin or in the water tank and suspended particles are settled down due to the force of gravity. After settlement of suspended particles has takes place, water is taken out from the basins or from the tanks without causing any disturbance to the suspended impurities. That is, after water is get settled, the water is taken out from the tank or from the basins without disturb to the suspended impurities. Hope you all get this process of plain sedimentation. Now we can just revise this point for better understanding. Now see what is the sedimentation. The definition of sedimentation is the process of reducing turbidity of water by removal of suspended impurities so that the suspended impurities or particles may be settled down at the bottom of tank due to the force of gravity. That is, a sedimentation is process which can be reduce the turbidity of water by the removing of suspended impurities or the particles which can be settled down at the bottom of water tank due to the force of gravity. This is the figure or picture of sedimentation process. Hope you all get what is the sedimentation. Now we had discussed next point is objects of sedimentation. There is a 5 objects of sedimentation. Hope you all remember these objects. First is to remove the suspended impurities in large quantity, then to lighten the load on subsequent process, then to reduce the turbidity of water, then to make the sand particles or impurities settle down at the bottom due to the force of gravity, then to give the treatment of water or treatment to water. These are the objects of sedimentation. Then we had discussed the method of sedimentation or methods of sedimentation. In that, first method is plain sedimentation and second is the sedimentation with coagulation. The sedimentation with coagulation is we are going to discuss in next lecture. Now see what is a plain sedimentation. Plain sedimentation is the process of removing suspended matters from water by keeping it in tanks so that suspended matters may settle down at the bottom due to force of gravity. Then we had discussed the advantages of plain sedimentation. There is a 4 advantages of plain sedimentation. First advantage is it lightens the load on subsequent processes. Then second, the operation of subsequent purification processes can be controlled in better way. This is the advantages of plain sedimentation. Then the third advantages of plain sedimentation is the cost of cleaning chemicals of coagulation basin are reduced. That is the cost of chemicals which can be required for cleaning coagulation basins are reduced due to plain sedimentation process. Then the fourth advantages is less quantity of chemicals are required for subsequent treatment processes. Less quantity of chemicals are required for the next processes. This is the sedimentation tank at the water treatment plant. Then we had discussed the process of plain sedimentation. What is the process of plain sedimentation? In process of plain sedimentation, water is retained in basins so that suspended particles may settle down due to force of gravity. Then, after settlement of suspended particles has taken place, the water is taken out from the basins without causing the disturbance to the suspended impurities. Hope you all get the definition of sedimentation, then the objects of sedimentation process, then first method of sedimentation, that is a plain sedimentation, then advantages of plain sedimentation and process of plain sedimentation. Then in next lecture we are going to discuss the sedimentation with coagulation process. Hope you all get this point. Thank you.